Shake things up, adding excitement to your life. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and dynamic phrase in the English language: shake things up. This expression is not only popular but also packs a punch in conveying a powerful message about change and excitement. So, if you're ready to explore and add this phrase to your English vocabulary, stay tuned as we break down its meaning, usage, and provide some examples to help you master it. The phrase, shake things up, is a metaphorical expression used to describe the act of introducing change or variety to a situation that has become monotonous, boring, or too predictable. It's about making things more interesting, exciting, or different from the usual routine. The word, shake, in this context suggests moving something vigorously or forcefully to alter its current state, while things up implies a broad application to various aspects of life, work, or any area that needs revitalization. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversations and writing. 1. In personal life, I decided to shake things up by taking a cooking class. It's been a great way to meet new people and learn new skills. 2. In business, our product sales were declining, so we needed to shake things up with an innovative marketing campaign. 3. In relationships, after 5 years of dating, we thought it was time to shake things up and travel around the world together. 4. In education, to shake things up in my classroom, I introduced interactive lessons that students could participate in more actively. These examples show that shake things up can be applied to various contexts, emphasizing the introduction of new, exciting changes to improve or enhance situations. Shaking things up is crucial for personal growth, innovation, and keeping life interesting. It prevents stagnation by encouraging us to step out of our comfort zones and explore new possibilities. Whether it's adopting a new hobby, changing a business strategy, or simply changing your daily routine, shaking things up can lead to significant improvements in both personal and professional life. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of the phrase, shake things up, for you. It's a powerful reminder that change is often necessary and beneficial, bringing fresh energy and perspectives into our lives. So, don't be afraid to shake things up a bit. It might just be the catalyst you need for growth and excitement. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content to help you navigate the English language with confidence.